Well, it's been 24 hours since I leave this uh, drying, so we can remove all the clamps and see how good stick, right? So let's do. This part seems quite okay. Let's see. If it will be easy to remove this. I was a bit afraid that could have get stuck in here. Maybe I will need a chisel to chisel this the webbing. Yeah, perfect. So all this dust that I added work. I was expecting that will get stuck, a bit stuck, not much. Yes, this can be easily clean. Okay, yeah. Okay, I don't need to worry because this piece of wood I don't need it for now, but it work is glue. Let's hope it's as glue as I wanted to be glue. So now I will do the same as yesterday. I will use the saw and the chisel and the tools to level up this, and we will continue with the work. I guess this way will be easier. Yes.